everybody. This is gonna be the tutorial on how to get Windows on your Mac, your iMac, whatever kind of Mac you have. I think it works for them all. Alright, so the first thing, you're gonna want to get this program here, Desktop, or Parallels Desktop. This is 6. You get whatever version, it'll still work, but I think 6 is the best. So you're depending on if you have a Demonoid account, you could go on demonoid.me, which is it's the best torrent. This is if you want to get it for free. Now I'm not encouraging it, but I know it happens a lot, so I'm not gonna knock against it. You could always go to the piratebay.org also, which is free, because Demonoid you have to sign up and have a special account for it. So with the piratebay.org, if it'll ever load, I'll show you how it works. I know, guys, just give it time. It's really rainy outside. It's been a nasty day, so my internet's also being nasty right now. So just bear with it. Just trust me. Trust me, it works. Sometimes the Pirate Bay is slow. Alright, just forget the Pirate Bay. Alright, so I'll just show you on Demonoid anyway. So you're going to want to look up Parallels Desktop 6, I guess. I would suggest 6. You go to Applications, then Mac, and you apply, and then you get rid of the stupid ads that comes up. So then, this is important because people, this is how you can tell if you're downloading a virus. There's this thing over here. This column is called seeders, and then this is leechers. This column, you want to have more. You want to have as much seeders as you can, and as little leechers as you can. And that, I don't know why, but there's a reason behind it. So you look here, and this says 108 seeders and 4 leechers. This is a good one right here. Now, before you go downloading it, you also want to look at the comments and make sure they're all positive, saying like, "Oh yes, this works, thank you," and like positive feedback. So once you're sure, you click here to download the torrent. Now I use views, whatever you want to call it. I'll put links to all these below. But you download this for Mac, it's free, and it's really good for BitTorrent. Again, I know it's stealing, and I don't do it a lot, guys, but sometimes it's necessary. Anyway, so then let's see, so you download that, and then once you have views set up, you click here, download the torrent, and I'll show you here. I'll just show you Fraps, because I actually tried Fraps, but it sucked. So just wait for this to load up really quick. This is all like my Minecraft files and stuff over here. There might be 2 parts to this. It depends. Alright. So then you're going to want to check. It'll show up in downloads if it's downloading. And then after it's finished downloading, it'll show up in this. Yes, this is a lot of stuff I downloaded. So then you click like launch. Yeah, you click launch. It'll take you to the folder. You go into here, then you unzip it, which it'll put in this folder, and then it'll have this DMG file. You double click that, you do all the installation and stuff. And then after that, it's gonna be set up. Yeah, I'm gonna actually have to exit this so I can show you guys how to do it from the start. So after you have it installed and everything, it's going to be here on your desktop. You double click this. And this is depending if you have Windows 7 on a disk or Windows XP or anything. Any kind of Windows, it doesn't matter. If you have it on a disk, it's the easiest, I think. So then you want to go to New Windows Installation. You'll go here, and you want to, this is if you have a disk, you do install from, then just leave it default. But if you have a .iso file, like if you illegally download a copy of Windows, you go to choose an image file, and then you find wherever it is. It might be on your desktop, then you click it, and then it like installs and everything, and then you'll have this. It'll say click to start, and I'm sorry I'm not doing this fresh, guys, but it would be a pain on install Windows and then do it again. So then you'll do click to start, and it'll download and everything. I'm not going to compact my thing yet. Some update, I think. So then it'll come up with this kind of menu here. And then after this, it'll actually start installing your Windows. But since mine's already installed, it's going to go straight to the operating system. So you can see Microsoft Corporation here. And if you're having problems, like installing Windows, just try different things. I had a problem at one point. I don't know what I did to fix it. I don't know why that's so off center. Yeah, I don't know what I did to fix it. But it was saying like fatal error, and I think I restarted my computer, and that's what I did. I think that's all I did. I did that, and I think I changed how I installed it. I installed it like, because you have two options when you're creating your like operating system setup. You could choose it to play, to like work as a Mac in windowed mode and stuff, or you could choose it to work as a PC. So I chose work as a Mac the second time around, and it actually worked better, and it installed and everything. So this might take a little bit to actually start up here, because like it's kind of slow. The Windows, it's not the fastest, at least because this is unlike Boot Camp, because Boot Camp will actually, you'll have to restart your computer and actually log into Windows that way. This brings Windows up in another window. Like it brings up, you could be on both operating systems at once, which is crazy. You'll see here after this loads up. So with Boot Camp, you can't be on Windows and Mac at the same time, but with this, if I go down here, you'll see I still have all my Mac stuff. I can minimize this while it's loading. Go back to my, just anything I'm doing, I could exit this. I can show you guys my list here. This is my list of stuff I have to do for the YouTube channel. I want to make thumbnails for our Let's Plays, and we're working on a new intro picture. And then the Windows on Mac tutorial. I should put this first. So I can come back here. I think it's all loaded up. No, not quite yet. Again, it takes a little bit to load up. Now, I don't know how CPU intensive this is, but it could be pretty CPU intensive since it's using both operating systems at once. So if you want to use a lot of your CPU, do this. I mean, it doesn't affect it too much. I mean, it just takes a little bit to start up. Still gotta wait down here. And Windows 7 is great. Like, it'll tell you to get a firewall if you don't have one. So it suggests things. I got Norton for 90 days. And that's all, guys. You have this installed. You'll install updates. If you have to do drivers, you'll do that. You can install Steam and everything in Terraria. Google Chrome, I like way more than Internet Explorer. Although Internet Explorer isn't that bad on this. It's actually alright. Now, I did click this Google Chrome. It's not coming up, though, so... this is a poor presentation of Windows 7. Sorry, guys. No internet access, alright. If you want to end the background, this room is kind of empty, but it's the gaming room. This huge TV right here. So I play my Xbox on if I have to. I can't really turn my computer on. I guess I can. Here, guys. Take a tour of the room. Have my bass guitars over there and stuff. Have my vacuum back there. I had the vacuum earlier. We're only at 10 minutes, so we still have some time. I can show you how the browser works if it'll come up here. Maybe you just didn't register the first time. My girlfriend's texting me. Alright. Oh, great. My girlfriend just told me she watched some of my Minecraft videos on YouTube. I didn't want her to see that. I mean, she said they're actually pretty funny, but I don't know. I didn't really want her to see that side of me. It's alright, though. We can't hide it. Now, I don't know what's up with this Google Chrome, but it just chooses not to work at the best times. Oh, here it comes. Here. Oh, double window, too. Alright. We go YouTube.com here. Of course, you gotta put a double Y. Guys, trust me. This might seem like crap right now, but it definitely is amazing. The fact that I could do this and have my Mac operating system at the same time is pretty great. Now, always at startup, it's going to be really slow. I don't know why. It's just slow at startup. It'll get better after like 5 minutes. 5 minutes will be fine. Everything will be running fine. When you install Windows, you're going to have to install Flash and everything for YouTube to work. But you'll figure it all easy. It's easy. So, I mean, I hope this helped, guys. A lot of you wanted this video, and if I were me, before I had this, I would actually want a video like this, because this is, I think, pretty helpful. So I hope it helped you guys. And here you can see our 137 subscribers. Thank you, guys. It's been great watching it go from 25 to 137 in 2 days. It's amazing, man. So we're still working up. We're still doing our hard work. After this, I'm gonna do my 3rd episode of the Let's Play. So just be looking for that. If you hear banging, it's my brother playing outside basketball. And alright, that's all for now, guys.